Hey guys, this is EBPMAN, and if you have a Samsung Galaxy Note 7 and you'd like to keep it charged in your car, here are two products that are going to help you with that. These are two USB car chargers brought to us by CHGeek. Let's check them out. Now, both of these products are going to support any device that can support quick charging. So this is going to support the S6, S7, and the Note 7 line, as well as several other devices, devices that are from LG as well that support quick charging, and some of the Nexus lines as well. But it also will support non-quick charging devices. It will also support USB-C connectors, as we're going to see in a couple seconds, and give you a lot of flexibility when it comes to having the fastest possible charge when you're driving your car. So let's go ahead and take a look at both of them. You'll notice right offhand that there are some differences, so we'll check each one out and why you should consider one versus the other. Now, before taking a look at the first item, what we're going to look at is the fact that all of them have quick charging technology, just like this one, but this one's a little bit unique because, as you can see here, it actually has two USB ports and then one USB-C port. And the output of the USB-C port is always going to be much more powerful than a standard port. So if we take a look at this here for a second, and we'll try to get that in focus really quick, you'll notice that you can get up to 3 amps coming out of your USB-C port, and then you have 2 amps, 2.4 coming out of this port, and then this is your quick charging technology, which is going to be variable, and it's going to charge your phone at the fastest possible rate. The neat thing about both of these ports for this car charger is that they're intelligent. So it doesn't matter what you plug in and where, as long as you do, what will happen is it will automatically adjust the current to the appropriate current rate for that specific device. So you don't have to worry about that. Even if you're in a mixed home and you have an iPhone as well as a quick charging device, an Android one, you'll be able to use either port. Now here, if you have a USB-C direct connect cable where it's not USB on one side but USB-C on both sides, you'll be able to plug it in here and it's going to charge fast as well. Now this specific car charger, as we saw here, is delivering a total of 45 watts, right, from these three outputs, and it's what I would consider a short neck. It's not really a long neck type car charger, so this is going to be something that it's not going to stick out too much, but it's still going to give you some nice charging capabilities. Now, so what I did is I connected it to an outlet so that we can see how it powers up. And what you'll notice is that there's only one LED light that shows up, which is good because it allows you to see where the unit is for powering up. And there may be some small spillage, as you can see as I move it over, that may illuminate slightly some of the ports, but not really. So all you'll have is that little LED that will come up, which is great because you don't want your car glowing at night and just drawing the attention to the charger. But you can see that it is charging, which is a nice feature. Now this product is a 33 watt version, but it's a little bit different because this one only has 2 ports, and that's why you have the lower power output. You have a quick charging port and then a built-in USB-C cable. So you're going to be able to charge at a fast rate as well. And again, don't worry about the fact that if your device is Qualcomm fast charging or not, because it's going to adjust automatically. We know, for example, that the Note is a Qualcomm, I believe, 2.0 version. I'm not quite sure if it's a 3.0, but regardless of the rating, it is a fast charger, and it will charge at the fastest possible rate if plugged here. Here you have a built-in USB-C cable, which also is going to charge at a very fast rate. So between these two, you'll get the fastest possible rate possible. And again, if you do plug in a Apple device or any other device here, a headphone, headset that you're charging, it's going to automatically adjust, and you won't ruin that device. Now, just like the other unit that we took a look at, it does have an LED, and we'll cover it up right here so you can see. And this one also has, a little spillage. So you have the LED light there, but then you'll notice how it kind of bleeds into the USB port, so you'll be able to see the port slightly. There is no LED light coming from the cable, but that's fine. And the last thing I'll highlight is that this is also a short neck type charger. So once you insert it, it's going to be closer to the outlet itself when you plug it in. So this concludes our review of the CHGeek car chargers. Again, this is a Qualcomm 2 and 3.0 family of devices that's going to charge any device, but especially those that support QC charging. Thanks for watching.